Hey, I'm Sarah, and I am super excited because I just got this commercial sous vide machine. I love sous videing things because you get the perfect temperature, and all you've got to do is take your meat, your eggs, fish, whatever you're wanting to do, vacuum seal it or get it into a Ziploc bag and get all the air out, immerse it in the water, and this puppy does the rest of it. Now this is a beast. This is a 1600 watt power. Got a nice digital screen on here, and it's all touch screen. So you can control whether it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can actually add a timer up to about 100 hours. So if you really wanted to sous vide some stuff, you can do that. You can change all of your temperatures just by simply pressing this. So I'm gonna do mine at 140 degrees, and your timer is gonna be at 4 hours. Now this is super quiet, like this is under 20 decibels. I could barely even hear this. I've had a lot of other sous vides in the past that they were loud, like you can hear them everywhere. And this could actually capture it up to 70 liters. All right, so our little beep just went off. We hit our 140 degrees. So now I am going to put this in here, and then we are gonna come back tonight and check it out. Now I did want to point out it does have a min and a max line on here, so that way you know how much water it needs to have. So that is fantastic. And this also has adjustable on the back, so you can put it in a variety of different pots just by turning this little lever. It'll tighten it on there and make sure that is all cinched in. So now we're going to hit our timer and get that going. All right, this has been going and it has stayed steady this entire time. So now I'm going to pull this out. And oh, look at this cut of meat. I am excited to cut into this thing. So this is a sirloin roast. And you can see the outside. Now if you wanted to go out and grill it, of course you can do that as well. But this was super quiet. I almost forgot that it was even running. It was so quiet. Let's cut right into the center of it and check it out here. That looks absolutely beautiful. I love how it doesn't have like a dark color here. It is all even all the way through. This did a great job cutting it. Super quiet, efficient. I love the sous vide machine.